raise a glass with me. We may not put the world to right, but we'll sure give it a go.
Not long ago I awoke anew for morning smoke, as oft I do. Flame to the bowl, a sacred spark. Take the time to ponder, my mind set free to wander. Oh, hear that distant thunder. Wood, clay, or humble cob, all will do the job. Fold, rub, stuff that leaf, break that flake with calm relief. Each puff a world of wonder, my thoughts run crystal clear. This ritual I hold so dear. Virginia's kiss, burly bold, steam-press flake of stories told. Perique, Cavendish, Kentucky too, Orientals, Latakia's fire. Flavours of every wonder, whisper of sweet desire. Still, hear that distant thunder. Twain and C.S. Lewis lit they worlds with bowls that drew us. Hefner, Crosby, Bogart and Ford all travelled down this fragrant road. Van Gogh, Doyle and Einstein, starry nights forged in the wisps they blew. Though hear that distant thunder. It is no jest, not a joke, the man wants to ban the smoke. From ivory towers they decree, no more shall you smoke. They graffiti out tins and pouches with disease and pestilences, tax us to submission, propagandicize the truth. This is the distant thunder. Away, away we tell you, leave us to our briar. They act to us as shields and we will not yield. We see you for a liar. Cease that distant thunder. For there's something here you cannot see and fail to comprehend. That legacy of the leaf and kin, the comradeship that circles round in smoky rings without a sound. We sit apart, we mean no harm, content to hold on to tradition's charm. We've weathered storms yet still abide. In peace we puff, in joy we steep, this culture runs so deep. And we shall dream and we shall keep, despite that distant thunder.
Please come back soon.